What's up? What's up? What's up, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here. I'm the passive income guru. Happy Friday to all of you. Got a quick announcement to make real quick before how's everyone doing this afternoon? How's everyone doing? So, Passive Profits, guys, we're blazing. A lot of people are joining left and right on a daily basis. I knew this kind of response was going to come, and we were prepared for it. But hey, it has me and my family and my wife. We're busy. Our coaches are busy, and we're serving the mass. And we're just getting started. This is our third official day of pre-launch. So I want to first tell you that make sure before Tuesday, February 4th, which is our post pre-launch party, make sure you get involved with us because we have a special bonus going on right now. And check this out. On the post pre-launch party next Tuesday, February 4th at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to be giving away our first excuse me. We're going to be giving away our first prize. Okay? We're going to try to do these prizes maybe every 2 to 3 months. Okay? Now these are not fly-by-night prizes. This is going to be some great prizes that a lot of you are going to win. Now, the only thing is this. You have to be at the middleweight level or higher to qualify for the prize. I repeat, you have to be at the middleweight level or higher to qualify for the prizes, okay? And it's going to be, again, a great prize. And whoever gets these prizes, they're going to be very, 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 very happy, okay? So we're already giving away a lot of value in our packages. A couple of members reached out to us actually about an hour ago and told us that they got their packages and they love it. Okay, so we're giving you guys a lot of value in your package. Your package is going to pretty much give you the keys and the strategy on how to be successful with Passive Profits. Okay, along with everything else we're doing, the weekly webinars every Tuesday, the Facebook group, where you have support, you have a support team behind you, you have personal sales closing team. So again, we've automated this thing to where all you have to do is do your part. And if you do your part, everything else is going to come into fruition. We already have people making sales. Can you believe that? Can you believe that in less than 3 days, in less than 72 hours, we already have people making sales, and a lot of them, since we just got started, they don't have their kits yet. They're already getting the word out there because what we do is when you join, you get a welcome email from the company, from the support team, and we tell you exactly how to get started. We give you your ID number. That way you can go ahead and get started marketing right now. Okay? You don't have to wait till your packet gets there in the mail. So I tell you, it's going to be a phenomenal year for many of you who are partnered with us. There's going to be many more people coming in. Again, I just stepped away from my computer just for a second, and I know I got a lot more emails now because people have been contacting me. So we're gonna make sure we take good care of you. This program, mark my words, is going to make a loud noise on the internet and off the internet. Mark my words. You're going to hear about Passive Profits more and more as the days go on and as the weeks and the months go on. Okay, so get involved with us. Call the 800 number 24/7. One of our representatives will get with you. They are working around the clock to accommodate you to make sure that you get started and you get your questions answered. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, the first prize is going to be next Tuesday. I'm going to leave a link here once I'm done here so that you can register for the webinar. You don't want to miss it, okay? You don't want to miss that webinar on Tuesday, next Tuesday, okay? You can be one of the persons that receive that prize too. So again, you got to be at the middleweight level or higher, and then you'll be able to qualify for the prize, okay? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. Talk to you soon.